You ask them if they're girls. Ew, icebox.
Yeah. She got a smile, got me waiting for the weekend. Couple texts, spend a check, tell her bring a friend. She got a taste on the lips like a sweet.
Hi, Lucy.
Hi. Jake made my camera dirty.
Like a blue confetti. What you got, little Nas gonna get him. Top 10 billboards already ready now. What you know where the kitties at, walking up on the toes. What you say when the living don't stop, I be making my way, yeah. So what you wanna when you wanna say, she'll laugh right back and pass one. So what you wanna when you wanna say, she'll laugh right back and pass one. Go get 'em, go get 'em, go get 'em, go get 'em. Break it out like girl can dance, bring it on up like damn that ass. Girls gon' check 'em out, bounce my pad, sipping my drink like clown can dance, go dumb. I've been tweaking till the morning.
Hello, I'm awake. I slept until from when that last clip was filmed until 12. And at 12 I woke up at 8, and then now I'm here playing League. I'm on my period, so I'm just not having it today. Probably not having it for the rest of the week. So yeah.
Yes, my queen, save me.
Spike down.
Oh,
Spike down. B.
Joke's over! You're dead!
joke's over.
One enemy remaining.
I don't have heal, my love.
It's okay.
Spike down. B. One enemy remaining.
You ask them if they're girls. Ew, icebox. God damn it. Any bad bitches here?
Mirror.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wait, I'm nervous. Wait, never mind. Never mind, I take it back.
Hello. My screen's dirty. What the fuck?
Hello. Oh my god. Okay, I just put in laundry. I'm washing sheets. Anyways, I'm gonna play League with Julie. It's 9:31. The first thing I did was go wash sheets, put away some laundry. Not all of it. It's a start. Fifth?
Let's bury one day. What's it called? good angles. Oh my god, the sky is so pretty. Just like you. I said it first. Heaven, the sky is so pretty. Just like you.
You're prettier.
God damn it. You and Julie. Putang ina means motherfucker.
Putang
If you
ina.
want to say something like, oh, you want to see something from Julie, what is it?
Julie, show me your tits, putang ina.
You can be like, let me see your backpack. That means vagina.
Oh my god, backpack?
Yeah.
Julie, show me your backpack. Drop them pants right now.
Hello, I'm editing, but I'm eating Wendy's. We got Wendy's. Wendy's not going well. And then, yeah, I just want to finish up editing so I can post tomorrow. But I think that's it for this vlog, okay? Bye. I don't know how to end videos.